Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel Agriculture TV. So today we are discussing about how to get rid of these mealybug. Mealybug are cell sap-sucking pests which are attached to the plant and get nutrition. So we are get we are discussing about how to get rid of these mealybugs. As you see, we will take 1 liter of water and put one sachet of the shampoo in it. In 1 liter we will put 4 ml shampoo. Now we will shake well. We are taking shampoo because it is easily available to every house and everyone, and it is cheap, and we should take it as home remedy. So we should start the process. Look, as you see, we are connect the sprayer to the bottle, and now we sprinkle the solution. And as you see that as we spraying this to whole plant, you should also follow this procedure. By spraying it, we should get rid of these white mango mealybugs. Look, we will cover the whole plant where these mealybugs are present, and we will recommend that you should do this process in evening, because in the daytime the plant do its work to survive, and the metabolism at that time is doing his work. So I will recommend it that you should apply this solution at evening. Now as you see that we are covering the whole plant from upside to downside. Look, now we have one more plant which has this infestation of mealybug. Look at that. This plant is very severely affected by this mealybug. So we are sprinkle the solution on it. Look, we are covering the whole plant. This solution come in contact to the area of plant. And you should do this in the evening, because in evening the plant do not do as much work as it's done in daytime and morning time. So guys, this is the demonstration about how to get rid of the mealybugs. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Agriculture TV for the further updates and further videos. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. Now one more point, that you should wash the plant after 10 or 20 minutes because it should affect the plant and the soil present in the pot. So yeah, we should wash the plant after 10 to 20 minutes after the mealybugs are affected. So thank you. Now we are washing the plant with normal tap water. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.